Good morning, students. Welcome back to another lecture on preposition. In my last lecture, I was talking about correct uses of prepositions. So, in this lecture also, I will continue the same thing. And after completing my point on correct uses of prepositions, we will devote some time to exercises, as I told you. Okay, so to start with, we use by plus noun. नाउन यूज करते हैं, नाउन से पहले बाई यूज करते हैं. व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट, मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट के लिए, यातायात के साधनों के लिए, वी डू नॉट यूज द और ए और एन बिफोर द नाउन्स. जब हम मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट की बात करते हैं तो उससे पहले कोई आर्टिकल यूज नहीं करते. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी ट्रेवल्ड बाई ट्रेन. We do not say by the train or by a train. We say we traveled by train. Okay? We say by bicycle, by car, by taxi, by bus, by train, by boat, by ship, by plane, by air, by sea. Okay? We do not use before these nouns the or a or n. Okay? Next, we do not use by when the reference is to a specific bicycle, car, train, etc. जब हम किसी विशेष साधन की बात करते हैं, कोई विशेष ट्रेन हो, विशेष साइकिल हो, मोटरसाइकिल हो, कार हो, टैक्सी हो, तो हम बाई यूज नहीं करते. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं, सुरेश वेंट देयर ऑन माई बाइक. हियर वी आर रेफरिंग टू अ स्पेसिफिक बाइक, माई बाइक. तो वी हैव यूज्ड on. We do not use by my bike, not by my bike, rather on my bike. Okay? Then we traveled in Mr. Gupta's car, referring to a specific car, not by Mr. Gupta's car, rather in Mr. Gupta's car. Okay? They came in a taxi, referring to a particular car. Okay? I will go on the 7:30 bus, particular bus. Okay? Next, we use on to mean a specific bicycle. When we are referring to a specific bicycle, bus, train, ship or plane, we use on. And in to mean a specific car, taxi, van, lorry और एम्बुलेंस. ओके? जब इन चीज़ों की तरफ इशारा है तो हम इन यूज करते हैं, और साइकिल, बस, ट्रेन, इनकी, शिप, प्लेन की तरफ ऑन यूज करते हैं. स्पेसिफिक, वी से one more thing, we say on foot, not by foot. हमेशा we say on foot, not by foot. For example, he goes to the office on foot. Understand? Getting my point? Not by foot. Okay? Next, in before a noun denoting a period. In denotes a period, means at the end of. Within means before the end of. Getting my point? In, at the end of, or within, before the end of. For example, I shall return in an hour, means at the end of the hour. Okay? Or one more example, I shall return within an hour means before the end of hour. So this is the difference between the two. And then now we will do some exercise, some 10 sentences on preposition. Okay. This the dog ran dot 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 the road. The river flows dot 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 the bridge means under the bridge. तो ये कुछ sentences हैं, and in my next lecture I will talk about this sentence. Okay, thank you.